Welcome back, Gunks. It's workout 13. We had a great session yesterday. I woke up feeling good. My shoulder feels better. We got a light pull session today. We're gonna bang out 20 pull-ups, move into some negative pull-ups, hit short tuck front lever hold progressions, and then finish it off with some hanging L sits, or knee sits in our case. You ready? Let's get into it. All right, let's hit this warm up. Start every day off with a dead hang. Decompress that spine. Stretch out all our shoulder and back muscles. Get our grips ready. Feeling good today, feeling really good. Glad we're seeing some progress yesterday. Those handstands felt really good. Twenty more seconds. If you can't do quite a minute yet, don't worry about it. The strength comes fast. If you've been following me from the beginning, we started out at like 11 seconds. Well, I did 11 seconds beforehand, but I think we started out at 30 seconds, but now we're up to a minute within just a couple weeks. All right. Get some wrist rolls. How you guys feeling today? You ready to hit this? Relatively short day. The pull-ups are no joke. Let's get some elbow rotations. Grease the wheel a bit. Started taking some collagen peptides. It's basically just protein powder with collagen and vitamin C in it. Heard that's really good for your tendons since we put so much strain on them with calisthenics. Since we're old, we could use it. All right, do some arm circles. 10 backwards, 10 forward. Other arm. Switch it up. Let's do some static wrist stretches. Glad my shoulder's feeling better. Those last pull-ups did a number on it. Still feel it a bit, but I think we should be good to go. Funny how some days you're just like, let's get it done, let's do it. And other days you're like, oh fuck, I gotta do this again. But if you're feeling that kind of way today, it's all right. We all do. Show up, just do it. Just get that first set out. Show up. Even if you can't get through everything, at least start. If you start, you've got a lot better chance of finishing. All right, let's do some scat pull-ups. You hang from the bar and you just pull your shoulders down. All right, get a drink of water and we hit it. Now, instead of doing 3 sets for as many as you can do, we're just gonna do until But each set we're just gonna do until we think we can't get one more full rep. And we're just gonna do that over and over again until we get to 20. All right, there we go. And to keep me from trying to kip, because I just have a bad habit of doing that without even thinking about it. And I've got the bar set lower, so hopefully that helps keep me from kipping. All right, let's go. Already kipping. You can get one more full one. We'll take it. Still got those little kips, those baby kips. I don't know if they really help that much, but I gotta figure out a way to stop that. We did 7, we got 13 to go. Reminder, and this is super important, this isn't a cardio session. That's not what we're looking to achieve here. We're not trying to shred fat right now. We're trying to build strength. And to do that, you need all the rest you can get. So take at least 2 minutes in between sets and up to 5 minutes. Like if you don't feel ready to go at 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, rest 5 minutes. You want to feel like you're able to jump in there and do a full set again. That's how long you should be resting. So just keep that in mind. All right, here we go. All right, I don't think I can get one more full rep. We'll cut it there. That's 12. We got 8 to go. Let's knock them out. We're gonna try to get 4 and 4. I think I can get one more. Let's go. Last 3. All right. All right, I lowered my bar a couple inches, because as you saw in the last vid, where we were doing this, we found it much easier to start from the hang instead of trying to jump up to the hang. Because when you jump up, all the momentum of your body weight pulls you down. It's hard to stay above the bar. So grab your box. Make sure you're at least have your nose above it. So you only have to have a slight little jump. All right, we're doing 3 to 5, or we're holding for 3 to 5 seconds each on the eccentric. All right, let's do it. Oh, see, that's so much easier than trying to catch your body weight. All right, we'll get 5 of these easy. Ooh, I shouldn't speak too soon. All right. Two more. Oh, last one. All right, try to hold that at the top there. Ooh. All right. Round 2. I'm feeling the forearms. It's kind of crazy how much better the first one is than the others. Let's try to keep it. Woo. See, as soon as we start tiring out, we can't hold each other or hold ourselves up at the top. 2 more. Oh. I'm gonna take a couple breathers. I really want to try to hold it at the top. Here we go. Yeah.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You
all right, last set.
My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Qualifying in all these forums. Back to future in the DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Card reported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Working bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit, cause I can back it up. She know what shit.
Oh, we're getting weaker. Yeah. 2 more. Last one. Anyone tells you negatives are a waste of time? Show them your forearm pump. All right, we got our short tuck front lever hold progressions. Remember from last week, 2-part movement. First is essentially the same thing as we did in the warm-up. It's essentially just a scat pull-up, right? But you're leaning back. So it's like this. Okay? That's movement number 1. Movement number 2 is just a hanging knee raise, but you bring your knees all the way to your chest. Sorry if I smashed the mic and blew up your eardrums. So it's just this right here. Okay, eventually put those together and you got a short tuck front lever hold. Next week, our first set is gonna be an attempt at the short tuck front lever hold. And then we'll finish it off by doing more of these. I don't think we're quite ready for that yet. So we're gonna bang out 3 sets of these. And here we go. Remember, we're just doing 5 of them, sorry. And then 5 knee raises. I'm just touching the floor so I stop swinging. All right, 2 more sets of that. All right, so these aren't super taxing, so I didn't need a full 3-4 minutes there. Just gonna prop right back into it. 5 and 5. Here we go. All right, knee raises. Knee to chest. All right, last set. 5 and 5. All right. Let's finish strong with some hanging L sits or knee sits or knee raises. Depends on how strong we feel today. Gonna try for 30 seconds. We'll try the L sit first, just to get the feeling, and then we'll move into a knee sit. What do we get? 5 seconds there? It's better than nothing. Ooh. Those are not easy. All right, we're just going straight into the knees. You know what I'm excited for? When we drop 20, 30 pounds and all this shit's a lot easier because we're not holding up as much weight. Oh, oh boy. Oh. All right, last set. Let's do it. Let's get right into it. Ooh, I didn't get a very good grip. This might be tough. Remember to breathe. Ten more seconds. We got this. Okay. Woo. All right. Good series, guys. It's a good sesh. If you're not liked and subscribed yet, smash that like. Give me a follow. I'm recording every session. I'm going from fat old guy, dead ass zero, never done calisthenics before, hopefully all the way to Captain America. We're gonna achieve all the primary calisthenics hold, the planche, the muscle ups, the V-sits, all those things. And we're not stopping until we get there. If you wanna follow my path all along the way, feel free to jump in at any time. You're gonna see all the frustrations, all the mishaps, all the excitement, all the achievements. You're gonna get to see it all along the way as I do it and grow in real time. We can't change the yunk, but we can change the chunk. And all it takes is to get a little bit better each day. That's what that 1%'s about. Peace.